It's been 5 days since BC's proof of vaccination policy has been in place, requiring you show proof of immunization and ID to get into places like restaurants. But still, no word yet on what kind of enforcement is being done, if any.
That interagency group that I was talking about will be able to examine the situation and enforce accordingly. There could be violations of the liquor licensing in effect. There could be work safe violations. There could be COVID safety plan violations. All of those things can be enforced by the appropriate agency.
This despite online groups like this listing businesses that are not complying or owners vowing not to comply with the health order.
We've been working very closely with the Restaurant Association, for example. They've made it clear to their members that they need to follow the orders. As I said, when complaints are made, they can go up to the interagency table within my ministry, and they can look at the infraction that's taking place and what's taking place, and the appropriate penalty can be levied.
We've been working on trying to have a very soft touch on enforcement. We have not made this about cracking down. We've made this about following the lead of the public.
Most of them, he says, want the added protection of the vaccination pass. Those who don't are very vocal about it.
But they are a distinct minority, and as regrettable as it is that those who disagree with 2.7 million British Columbians and counting should take it up with their elected representatives, not with the people who are trying to make a living.
2.7 million is how many in BC have accessed their proof of vaccine QR codes so far. As for the businesses that are being harassed for following health orders, some even facing lawsuits for doing so.
We have been working with the business community on the introduction of the vaccine card and the vaccine passport. We know that some businesses have gone and hired additional security, particularly those obviously involved in entertainment and bars, for example. And in fact, many of them have them already in place. But we will be working with businesses and business associations to see how things evolve and ways in which the province can ensure that things are running the way they're supposed to.
But no details on what, if any more help, might be coming their way. For City News in Victoria, I'm News 1130's Liza Yuzda.